Guys, meron akong experience guys. Maganda tong experience nito. Kasi sa mga baguhan magbiyahe, papuntang ibang bansa, o kahit experienceado na, dapat alamin mo kung ano yung mga dapat itanong. Experience ko, nasa aeroplano. Let's say kung nasa aeroplano ka, sabi ng bata dun sa stewardess, where is CR? May I know where is CR? Then the stewardess, what? CR? Stewardess, what? Then the parents told to the flight attendant, CR, comfort room. Then the flight attendant, stewardess, what? Again? Comfort room. Since it's take around 3 minutes discussion, and the flight attendant don't know what she needs to answer, I told the flight attendant, comfort room is toilet. Toilet, it's over there. So meaning you need to know how to ask questions, right? So especially in the airline, and also going anywhere, you need to know what is the signage, especially in abroad. Even in our location, some they are putting toilet, right? So everyone can understand toilet. So toilet, Pilipino kasi minsan lagi natin ginagamit CR, comfort room. So pag sa ibang bansa na, toilet. Pag sa GCC country, hamam. Yan yung mga madali na tawagan, hamam. Toilet. So ganun guys. So it's critical questions pero minsan nakakatawa ba, di ba? So dapat tandaan natin kung ano yung mga dapat itanong natin, which is makikita sa mga signage, sa mga designated area, especially in the airport and the airline. Alright? Sa ating mga bus station, bus stop. Alright guys? So yun lang, tips lang.